Hello, welcome to Edubbey Dynamic Solution Platform. Let us look at meme coins, refer to a category of cryptocurrencies that often gain popularity and value based on their online community, marketing, and viral trends rather than traditional fundamentals. These coins are typically inspired by internet memes or jokes and often have distinctive features or themes that capture the attention of the cryptocurrency community. It's important to note that meme coins can be highly speculative, and their values may be driven more by sentiment and social media trends than by underlying technology or utility. Here are key points to understand about meme coins. 1. Viral nature. Meme coins often go viral through social media platforms, forums, and online communities. Memes, jokes, and catchy slogans play a significant role in their promotion. 2. Limited utility. Many meme coins have limited use cases or utility beyond serving as a form of digital currency. They may lack the sophisticated technology or blockchain features found in more established cryptocurrencies. 3. Community-driven. Success is often driven by a strong and engaged community. Active online communities may engage in activities like pumping the coin, encouraging others to buy and hold. 4. Famous examples. Examples of meme coins include Dogecoin, Doge, Shiba Inu, SHIB, and SafeMoon. Dogecoin, in particular, gained widespread attention due to its Shiba Inu dog logo and community involvement. 5. Risks and volatility. Meme coins are known for their high volatility. Prices can experience rapid and unpredictable fluctuations based on social media trends, celebrity endorsements, or other external factors. 6. Lack of regulation. The meme coin space is often less regulated compared to more established cryptocurrencies. This lack of regulation can attract both opportunistic investors and potential scams. 7. Speculative nature. Investing in meme coins is highly speculative, and potential investors should be aware of the risks. Due diligence is essential, and it's crucial to distinguish between genuine projects and those with little substance. 8. Pump and dump concerns. Meme coins are sometimes associated with pump and dump schemes, where prices are artificially inflated by coordinated efforts, only to crash later, leading to significant losses for unsuspecting investors. 9. Community projects. Some meme coins embrace their community-driven nature and use funds raised for charitable causes or community initiatives, adding a positive social aspect to the project. 10. Evolving landscape. The meme coin space is dynamic and new projects frequently emerge. Investors should stay informed about the latest developments and exercise caution before investing. While meme coins can be entertaining and attract attention, investors should approach them with caution and be aware of the speculative and unpredictable nature of these assets. Due diligence, risk management, and an understanding of the broader cryptocurrency market are essential for those considering meme coin investments.